Do you know, guys, like doing this is very scary because sometimes I'm really scared that I don't mess my things up. So, hello, guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, I'll be showing you um, some basic theory. So, what I was trying to tell you guys is that your background you gotta be moving on a certain direction so that people, when they look into it, they can say it is moving, like the person is moving, even if the person is standing. So what we'll be doing, we'll go straight to your parent parada. Let's go straight to our parent parada. Below, we have so many layers, guys. So many layers. So many layers. Mm, this is what we want. Then we just open there, click a plus on that. Then we have those options. So the first thing that I would love to do, I'll just go to scale, double click there. Then I will scale this about 150. Maybe I may decrease it. Then we go to 130 first. Maybe I may increase it. Okay. Okay, that's what just happened, guys. So I gotta take this and I will just push it and raise it a little bit up. Then I push it a little bit. Should I push it this side? A little bit this. Okay, until this area. So what we just did, guys, we just increased the size on the scale. Then we increased the direction of our cartoon, the direction of our background, not the cartoon. Then we're using this button on the parent to handle everything. There's this small plus button. That's the button that we're using to handle everything. Then there's what's so called an anchor point, of which this is the one. So you gotta listen carefully on this. I'm trying to make my background to move this direction, and my person will be moving um, that direction. So we gotta come here, we click on that anchor point. This generally means that we are activating our cartoon movement now. Then we won't be doing anything from the part because the part deals about changing things. If I want this thing to be longer, let it go. Then that's when I will increase the part. The full fill solid, you already know what is this. You already know what the opacity. You when it comes, you already know the scale is. Then the opacity, you do know the opacity. The rotation is all about turning this. If you want, as the person goes, this turns around. That's you will activate the rotation here, but we'll be activating the position because we want to change the position of this from here to a different position. Then we'll come to the final, to the fifth spot. So from the fifth spot, we gotta activate the same things, activate this, and we activate this. But nothing will happen because we're still on the same position. So what will happen right now? I'll just go to 100. Can I please go to 100? Zoom it to 100. You will see there's a yellow small dot there, of which that dot means that now we can animate our background. We're gonna take this background, then we're gonna hold it and we're gonna move it this side. So this is generally like our endpoint. So we don't have to we don't have to move the yellow thing. We gotta move like the entire background. Do not move the yellow thing. Just make sure you selected the right thing before you do anything. Just go to that thing. Just make sure you selected it. Good. like your background should be moving. Okay, until that area, that big thing should not appear. Then make sure about the straight line, make sure it's straight, then you put it, then we can zoom out. Now let's click our play button. Now you can see the background is moving. The background is very moving very slow. You can see the background is moving very slow, and you can see even that area is disappearing as the background is moving. So guys, this is the first thing you need to master. On the next episode, I'll be dealing with the cartoon itself. You can see for now the cartoon is standing, but in the next episode, we'll be dealing with the cartoon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this one. I'll see you on the next episode.